Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if the battery percentage is not showing on your Samsung Galaxy A37 5G. In case you didn't install any additional software on your device, this issue may only be caused by some security issue, and in order to fix it, you're gonna have to make sure that your device is charged enough, or connect your device to a charger, go to software update and check for updates, let your device install the most recent software, and this problem should go away. Now, the only setting that we have for the battery in the settings menu is located in notifications. From notifications, you go to status bar, and here you can enable battery background. And if you want to customize your status bar furthermore, you're gonna have to access Samsung Store and then search for Good Lock application. Then you're gonna have to install this app, open it, and in this app you're gonna have to find the QuickStar extension and install it too. After you install it, you're gonna have to go to visibility of indicator icons and scroll down to battery icon and make sure that it's enabled, and this will show you the battery percentage on your status bar. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.